Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Game of Trades and this is going to be a technical analysis of the natural gas futures. It's been a while since I haven't made a video on natural gas, but nothing major has changed in the technical posture of natural gas. We are still in a downtrend with a pretty clean price channel going down with a beautiful downtrend line with a few reactions. You can see one, two, three, four reactions, and potentially a fifth reaction coming if we start going down again. And this is actually quite normal for the season. It's summer. Natural gas tends to go down during the summer months, considering the demand for natural gas is much greater in the winter months. So as we approach winter, I do expect the price of natural gas to start going up again. And this is actually considering the fact that natural gas is at a very low price. This is a very attractive price for the long term. I'm going to show you the weekly chart here. This is one of the lowest price we've had since almost 3 years now. For the past 3 years, natural gas has remained above the $2.5 level, and we've recently broken that this summer. So on the long term, at least in my opinion, this is a very nice price to buy natural gas. Now, obviously, if you've been following me for a while, I talk about this a lot, and it's a very good idea to invest in natural gas on a not leveraged ETF. Obviously, if you start to invest in UGAZ, 3 times leveraged ETF, well, it's not going to it's going to decay over time. So if you want to make a long-term investment on natural gas, you're going to want a one-for-one ETF tracker, not a leveraged ETF, and that's exactly what I'm doing as the price of natural gas is going down, and I've been saying this for a while. At each support level, I invest in natural gas a little bit more, and this is because the probability of natural gas going much higher up in the winter months is very high. So again, this is not really technical analysis, but just more of an investment of what natural gas is worth. Well, it's worth much more than that, especially considering winter is coming, no pun intended. So let's get back to the daily chart, and we can take a look at this trend line. This is a beautiful trend line that many people are looking at on the natural gas. So when it gets broken to the upside, you will see some impulsive buying, and you'll see a jump right to the 2.5 level and potentially even higher, so around the $3 level, but that's probably going to be for, again, the winter months. In November, December, I do think that we'll get up on there. And this can be a trade setup. I'm definitely going to add that when I make a website. This is going to be a long-term trade. A break of this trend line in a couple weeks would definitely be a good swing trade to hold all the way to this level for a couple months, and that would be actually a pretty nice profit. That would be a 25% profit from the break of trend line. Now, do I think that the break of trend line will happen now? I think that's a 50-50 chance. There's really no way of saying, so I'm not going to take a position on that. But I do know that if you start seeing a big green candle, it's starting to pick up some speed right now. If you see a big green candle through the trend line, that's a very good sign that we'll reach 2.5 in a short amount of time. especially considering the divergence that we've been building for many weeks on the MACD. You can see the price is going down, making lower lows, whilst the RSI, for example, is actually making higher lows, and that just shows that we're soon going to reverse. It's only a matter of time, and when this trend line gives in, uh, I do see the price going much higher up, uh, especially with the fuel of winter pushing the price of natural gas up. And you can see the last time that happened uh, in around October, November, look how the price exploded. So if you're looking to invest in natural gas at a low price and perhaps catch one of these moves during winter, that's definitely a good idea. That's definitely a possibility. All right. So let's take a look at the monthly chart on natural gas. And that's one thing I wanted to show you. Uh, this has been downtrend lately. We've just been doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 small red candle here. And this is actually a first green candle that we've had, you know, since quite a few months. So is this again a sign of a potential reversal, a potential bottoming point? Well, that definitely is a possibility, and at the very least, it shows a slowdown in the descent of the price, and that's definitely something to watch out for in the coming weeks and months for natural gas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. In the meantime, good luck on your trading and see you next time.